Looking for a way to defend yourself that doesn't make a sound? Check out these amazing non-gunpowder weapons that still bring the heat. You'll be shocked at how powerful these are. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and grab the product. Links from the description to get your hands on these gadgets. T4E TC68 Carbine. If you've ever wanted something that feels like an AR-15 but shoots pepperball rounds instead of bullets, this is it. Powered by CO2, it can shoot 68 caliber rounds that are perfect for home defense without lethal consequences. Detachable magazine and quick reload system make it super efficient. You can even 3D print your own projectiles. All this in one compact semi-automatic carbine for under $300. Cannon, who doesn't love launching cans? This unique tool is designed to launch 12-ounce cans over 100 yards, thanks to a high-pro-shear gas tube system. Not only can you use store-bought cans, but you can also 3D print your own projectiles. Imagine surprising your friends with flying beverages at your next BBQ, all while having fun and feeling like a kid again. Whether you're launching cans for fun or just testing out your new toy, this is an exciting addition to your gear collection. Umarex 7 Doomsday Slingshot. Ever wished you had the power of a crossbow, but with more style? This isn't your average slingshot. It's crossbow-inspired, powerful, and has a built-in magazine for up to 40 rounds of ball bearings. You can hit targets up to 300 feet away, which is impressive for a slingshot. Plus, it features a Picatinny rail for adding accessories like sights. Weighing in at 4.4 pounds, it's heavy-duty but still manageable for an afternoon of target practice or outdoor fun. CA9 Coil Gun. Now for something truly futuristic, the CA9 Coil Gun. This is the world's first commercially available coil gun. And it's definitely not your typical weapon. Operating at low voltage, it can fire 2,400 rounds per minute with projectiles, reaching 140 feet per second. It's powered by a lithium-ion polymer battery that lets you shoot up to 500 rounds before needing a recharge. At $1,600, it's quite the investment. But for tech lovers and enthusiasts, it's a game-changer. Double-barrel PCP Air Rifle. If you're into precision, the double-barrel PCP Air Rifle is a must-have. It's designed to fire 2 arrows at 4 feet per second in rapid succession, a perfect choice for hunters. Powered by a 4,000 psi PCP tank, you get 25 shots per fill, which is ideal for long trips. The stock and grip are designed for all-weather use, ensuring you get a steady shot no matter the environment. At $599, it's a solid tool for anyone who loves outdoor adventures and hunting. 3D printed crossbow pistol, Wasp 4. The DIY enthusiasts out there, check out the 3D printed crossbow pistol. With this kit, you can print and assemble your own weapon. The Wasp fires powerful metal cord rubber bullets that deliver a stunning punch. While not typically lethal, they can break bones or incapacitate at close range. This weapon features a laser sight for easy aiming and an ergonomic grip, making it an innovative, customizable option for personal defense. Plus, the fact that it's 3D printed adds a futuristic touch to your armory. Genesis Arms Gen 12 Less Lethal Shotgun. If you're after something that's more traditional but still non-lethal, check out the Genesis Arms Gen 12 shotgun. This shotgun uses beanbag rounds, making it a reliable choice for home defense. The 6-position adjustable stock allows for comfort, and the free-float handguard provides room for accessories. Its high-visibility orange color ensures that it stands out in stressful situations. With a limited warranty, it's a solid investment for non-lethal defense. Hatsson Harpoon Arrow Rifle. When it comes to raw power, the Hatsson Harpoon takes the crown. This air rifle can shoot 20-inch arrows at 600 feet per second, delivering 325 feet of energy. With a 500cc air tank, you get 10 powerful shots per fill. The Harpoon is a bullpup design, making it compact and easy to maneuver. If you're serious about hunting, this rifle gives you exceptional terminal performance. The included scope mounts and arrow holders make it both functional and convenient for hunters. Air Force Texan Big Bore Air Rifles. For the ultimate in high air rifles, the Air Force Texan Big Bore is a game-changer. With multiple caliber options, including a powerful .50 caliber model, the Texan is capable of firing massive slugs at over 800 feet of energy. Known for its accuracy and reliability, it's perfect for serious hunters. The tank is easy to fill, and the rifle is customizable to meet your specific needs. Whether you're after a big game or looking for precision, the Texan won't let you down. Saber Pepper Launcher. If you need an effective non-lethal defense tool, the Saber Pepper Launcher is a must. With a range of up to 60 feet, it's perfect for keeping attackers at bay from a safe distance. It fires powerful pepper powder projectiles that can incapacitate anyone in their path. The launcher features a rubber grip for better control and a rear safety feature to ensure it doesn't fire by accident. The Mission 4 is a CO2-powered rifle designed for both fun and self-defense, with its customizable features, including a vertical foregrip and for Picatinny rails. The Mission 4 allows you to personalize your setup. At the price of $300, it's an effective and affordable alternative to traditional firearms. Benjamin Bulldog Big Bore Air Rifle. Looking for a compact but powerful hunting rifle? The Benjamin Bulldog is a .357 caliber big bore air rifle that delivers plenty of power in a small package. With a 5-shot magazine and 340cc reservoir, it's perfect for taking down big game. The reversible side lever makes it easy to operate for both left and right-handed shooters, whether you're using it for hunting or target shooting. The Bulldog is both powerful and practical, making it a top choice for hunters looking for versatility. Umarex Air Javelin Pro. For a fun yet effective way to hunt or practice archery, the Umarex Air Javelin Pro is an air archery rifle that shoots arrows at speeds up to 370 feet per second. This upgrade to the original model offers more velocity and power, making it a great choice for medium to large game hunting. The gun is equipped with a quick connect fitting for easy filling and features M-lock slots for adding accessories. You're looking for a lightweight and recoil-free hunting tool. This airbow is a solid option. Sharpel 101 N6N1 Sharpener. The Sharpel 101N is more than just a sharpener, it's a survival tool. This handy gadget includes a coarse tungsten carbide, abrasive for setting an edge, a ceramic guide for honing, and even a 400 grit diamond rod for sharpening serrated blades. In case you need it in the wild, compact and practical, the Sharpel 101N is the perfect addition to your camping or survival gear, ensuring that your knives and tools stay sharp when you need them most. The Genesis Arms Gen 12 is a reliable shotgun designed for non-lethal self-defense. With its beanbag rounds and other less lethal munitions, this shotgun offers powerful stopping power without the risks of using real bullets. Lightweight and durable, it features a 6-position adjustable stock and free-floating handguard for customizable comfort and grip. If you want a non-lethal home defense tool, this shotgun is a fantastic option. Dark Energy Spectre 15 West Solar Panel. For anyone who spends time outdoors, the Dark Energy Spectre 15W solar panel is a must-have. It's lightweight, bendable, and waterproof, making it perfect for camping or hiking. You can charge your devices quickly with the USB port, and it's easy to pack away due to its flexible design. Whether you're going on a long trip or need to charge your phone in the wilderness, the Spectre solar panel is the ultimate outdoor accessory. Geopress water bottle. The Geopress titanium water bottle is a game changer for outdoor adventurers. Not only does it purify water, but it also has the durability to withstand tough conditions. Fill it up with dirty water from streams or lakes, and press the inner cup to filter out contaminants. In seconds, you'll have purified, drinkable water. Plus, its titanium build lets you boil water directly in the bottle, making it even more versatile. Whether you're hiking or camping, this bottle ensures you'll always have safe water. Case Winkler Packaxe. The Case Winkler Packaxe is the perfect companion for those who need a versatile, durable tool for outdoor tasks. This hatchet is made from high-carbon steel and designed to handle tough jobs like chopping, splitting, and trimming. The compact 14.25-inch design makes it easy to carry, and the paracord draft handle ensures a secure grip. If you're heading into the wilderness and need a multi-use tool, this Packaxe is the perfect solution. Prometheus Design Works Tyline Survival Stove. The Prometheus Design Works Tyline Survival Stove is a must-have for backcountry explorers. This compact multi-fuel stove can burn wood, alcohol, and hexamine tabs, making it ideal for long trips where carrying fuel is difficult. The double wall construction ensures a hot, efficient burn, and it fits easily in most backpacking pots. Whether you're cooking a hot meal or boiling water, this stove is built to last and make sure you're prepared for anything. That's a wrap on today's list of the coolest non-lethal weapons and survival tools that Amazon has to offer. If any of these caught your eye, don't forget to check out the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. What's your favorite gadget from today's list? Drop a comment and let us know. Until next time, stay safe and always be prepared.